Greetings, Dr. Stefan. My name is Chin Shinn Yue. Now, this presentation is dedicated to discuss a learned concept along its importance for contemporary companies, accompanied by an example of a company that implements the learned concept, and finally followed by a reflection of the subject I learned. Now, to begin with, a concept I learned that I personally think that is important for contemporary companies is the stakeholder theory. Now, by definition, the stakeholder theory is a view of capitalism that stresses the interconnected relationships between a business and its customers, suppliers, employees, investors, communities, and others who have a stake in the organization. The theory argues that a firm should create value for all stakeholders, not just shareholders. Now, there are several reasons why it is important for contemporary companies. First and foremost, it leads to a more holistic and well-informed decision making by considering the interests of all stakeholders. Now, besides that, it also helps promoting long-term sustainability through recognizing and addressing the needs of various stakeholders. This includes environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and maintaining positive relationships with employees, customers, communities, and suppliers. Other than that, it also helps with risk mitigation. By understanding and managing the expectations of stakeholders, companies are able to identify potential risks and challenges beforehand. This therefore allows a company to proactively address them, thus mitigate risks and prevents crisis. Now, besides risk mitigation, companies that prioritize stakeholder interests often enjoy a positive reputation. This can lead to increased customer loyalty, attracting top talent, and building strong relationships with investors. Now, apart from that, many contemporary regulations and standards emphasize the importance of considering stakeholders. Adhering to these standards ensures legal compliance and reduces the risk of facing penalties or legal challenges. Furthermore, engaging with a diverse set of stakeholders provides companies with valuable insights and feedback. This fosters innovations and helps businesses adapt to changing market conditions, technological advancements, and societal expectations. Finally, uh, as I've said, companies are key holders or one of the key stakeholders of the company, as they are the ones who provide products and services to the consumers. Therefore, when companies consider their well being, job satisfaction, and development, it often results in higher levels of employee engagement and productivity. Now, an example of a company that implement the stakeholder theory is Unilever. So Unilever is a British multinational consumer packaged goods company that was founded in 1929 by the merger of a British soap maker and a Dutch margarine producer. Now, one of the way the company interacts or engages with its consumers or customers. Now, through its research, the findings indicate that consumers these days are more conscious about their everyday products, ranging from what they put in and on their bodies to what they use to clean their houses. They also pursue highly effective products with ingredients that are advantageous not only to them, but to the environment as well. To expand its business and meet the constantly evolving needs of consumers, it is crucial to understand them. Now, the company's consumer and marketing insight functions is responsible for gathering consumer research to inform its innovation and marketing activities. For instance, the company's in-house people data centers analyze data from social media, its consumer care lines and digital marketing to help respond to customer feedbacks. Apart from that, they also use consumer research from partners such as Kantar, Nelson, and Ipsos, whom they engage with through their regular surveys and panels. Now, other than that, the company also values open and effective communication with its shareholders. They speak directly to shareholders through quarterly results, broadcasts, and conference presentations, as well as regular meetings and calls regarding aspects of business performance and consumer trends. Now, aside from that, they work directly with governments, regulators, and legislators, and through their trade associations to help develop laws and regulations that may affect its business. For instance, the company participates in policy discussions on global issues like climate change, as well as detailed subjects like product safety standards. Furthermore, the company also works with approximately 52,000 supply partners in over 150 countries to source materials and provide critical services for consumers. Now, they also work with strategic suppliers through its Partner with Purpose program, which combines expertise to create new products, formats, and ingredients. Finally, the company engages with and support livelihoods in many communities across the world. It creates direct and indirect employment, pays taxes to governments for reinvestment in infrastructure and communities, and contribute through its corporate community investment activities. Now, in summary, one thing I learned is the importance of the stakeholder theory in practice, contributing to the success in the contemporary business market. Solely prioritizing the interests of stakeholders while disregarding the well being of employees, expectations of customers, and the relationship with its suppliers is not sustainable for the business's success in the long run. As I've reiterated throughout the presentation, employees are one of the key stakeholders of the organization, as they are the one who are responsible in carrying out products and services to consumers. And consumers, on the other hand, are the ones who purchase goods and services from the company. Therefore, I think that maintaining or optimizing the productivity of employees, meeting the requirements or expectation of consumers, are crucial in determining the future success or the long-term success of a business. Now, according to Forbes, 87% of consumers lean towards more on businesses that address societal challenges and environmental challenges as well. Now, forgot to mention, suppliers are also important in the stakeholder theory. Now, maintaining a good relationship with a supplier lead to more opportunities and cost reduction. Therefore, considering all aspects, it is only prudent for companies to conduct using the stakeholder theory. But that's all for my presentation. Thank you so much.